What's up, y'all? Welcome to Jeremiah's Style of Cooking. Today I will be making buffalo chicken dip with a twist. So you're going to need a few things. You're going to need some hot sauce, mayonnaise, buffalo sauce, and a cap full of apple cider vinegar, as well as chicken thighs. Some people use chicken breasts. I'm going to use chicken thighs because they hold a little more flavor, and I just like the dark meat. That's basically it. And you're gonna need a pan. You're gonna need something to put your buffalo chicken dip in after you finish searing your chicken. And also you're gonna need an oven set to 350. So I'll be right back and we'll get started. So I was letting my chicken thighs marinate overnight. I basically use a few seasonings. I wrote them down because I be forgetting stuff. So I use a little bit of paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and oven roasted chicken seasoning. And that's about it. So our pan is heating up, so we're gonna just drop these chickens when the oil is ready. I'll be back. Oh yeah, I forgot, we're gonna need cheese as well, so don't forget about your cheese. Our chicken thighs. I'm gonna cook one right now. And you just wanna have the temperature on the medium. That way, it'll cook nice and evenly. And you just wanna make sure it's good, nice and cooked in the inside. It's okay if it's not done all the way because you're gonna make sure that you get it in there real good. And look at that. And shout out to my little cousin Canaria Rogers just helping me record today. You know what it do. That's her. Bad. So no, she ain't bad. She's really good. But when we come back, our chicken will be done, and yeah, we're gonna get started putting it together for the buffalo chicken dip and putting it in the oven. So we got our buffalo chicken dip cooking. It's getting it nice and seared on both sides. I think I got the stove up a little too high, but I'm going to cut it down a little bit to medium temp so that it can cook and focus on the inside more. And we can get it nice and tender and crispy as well. So that's what we're doing. And I got to get better control of my oil because it's splashing everywhere. But when I come back, we'll be ready to cut it up and take it apart. Okay, y'all, so our chicken thigh is done. We're just going to get into it and we're going to start cutting it up. Just taking it apart, you know. And it might not be all the way done in the middle, but when you put it in the oven, it will finish cooking thoroughly. But you do want to make sure that it's semi-done. And mine is almost done, so I'm not too worried about it not cooking all the way in the oven. So... But like I say, do make sure that it's mostly done on the inside because chicken is one of those foods you can't play with half cooking. Okay? So we're just going to get it nice and cut up. Okay, so look at that. That is nice. Let me get y'all a better look. Ooh. Ooh. Oh! That looks so good. Okay, so we're going to get it in our bowl. Okay. And I like to call this the yum yums. That's the juice though. So you don't dispose of those. You get those juices in there by any means necessary. Okay? And we have our bowl that consists of buffalo sauce, hot sauce, mayonnaise, and a cap full of apple cider vinegar. And we're just gonna put that in there. Okay? Then we're gonna give it a nice stir. Oh my goodness. This looks so good. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Okay. Ooh. Kind of look like potato salad to me. But that's when you add the cheese. Okay, here's our cheese. It's taco blend, I think. But it really don't matter. You can use sharp cheese. Any kind of cheese you want. But we're going to sprinkle a little bit. And we're going to stir it in. I don't know where these impulses to make beats and dance and stuff come from. But I'm working through it. I'm working through it every week. But yeah, we back. So we're going to add some cheese on top. And I'm going to give y'all a good look at it before we put it in the oven. So look at this. I like a little medium amount of cheese because too much cheese take away a lot of flavor to me. And that's what it looks like. And the buffalo chicken dip is in there. I have not removed it. So I'm going to put that in the oven for about maybe 5 to 7, maybe 8 minutes at the most because the oven is already heated up. So we're going to put it in the oven, and when I come back, it will be done and it will be ready to taste and serve. Okay? Buffalo chicken dip is done and ooh, it look good. We're going to get it on the plate, and then we're going to let my sister taste it to see what she thinks and how we can do better or how we can keep it going like this. Alright, I'll be right back.
Hi guys, I'm going to be trying this buffalo chicken dip that my bro made. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion on it. Ready? I need a big chip though. Okay, hold on. I can't get this together. Oh god. That's super cheesy. That's good. That's so good, yo. Oh god. You have more? Oh god. No, I'm not even just saying that just because he's my brother. Like, no. This is so good. It's creamy. It's really, it is. It's really good though. He did good on this one. Oh god. And did you season the chicken? Oh my goodness, you can say, oh god. God, everything goes together, I'm sorry. This is so good. Awesome sauce.
And that, yo, is how you make buffalo chicken dip for your sister. I just had an argument last night, and y'all back friends. And I'm gonna need y'all to do me a favor. Until next time, be easy. Be a little, regardless. Yeah, yeah.